So today I bought a new mechanical pencil and I wanted to test this out. And for that, I am going to draw something with this pencil. So in this video, I am going to try to make an epic artwork with this mechanical pencil. So buckle up. To make pencil sketches, I first make the basic shapes and outlines of my subject. Here, I am drawing my favorite artist ZHC's original character, Dex. Then I erase the first sketch and start drawing with a darker pencil. It's the detailed sketching part. In this part, I make the outlines with more details. Detailed outline makes the shading part easy. The previous half erased sketch of the basic shapes helps me to make this outline properly. After completing the sketch, I start shading. Here I am using the same pencil for shading the head because I forgot about my new pencil. And oops, here my camera flipped. This video has lots of mistakes. Yeah. Finally, I remembered and I started shading the rest of the body with my new mechanical pencil. This part takes time because it's all about adding more and more details. It took me almost 1 hour just to complete the face and the arm. Here I was facing back pain, so I just grabbed a pillow. Believe me, it helped a lot. I used total 3 pencils to shade this because I had only 2B and HB leads for my mechanical pencil. So I used a 4B and a 6B pencil for the darker areas. And after 2.5 hours, the drawing was finally completed. Enjoy the reveal.